Okay, we're going to try some more algebraic fractions that involve adding and subtracting before moving on eventually to multiplication and division. So let's try a few of these ones which will look a bit different. Okay, x plus 2 over 3 plus x plus 3 over 6. Okay, so we're adding, so again it's kiss and smile. So x plus 2 times 6, well it's 6 bracket x plus 2, plus x plus 3 times 3, well it's 3 bracket x plus 3, over 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, just going to take the opportunity now to tidy up the top. So I'm going to take that to the side. So it'll be 6x plus 12, 6x plus 12 plus 3x plus 9. Let's tidy that up. 6x and 3x is 9x, and 12 and 9 is 21. 9x plus 21, bring it back in. 9x plus 21 over 18. Okay, can I take a highest common factor from the top? Yeah, I can. I can take a common factor of 3. So that'll be 3 bracket 3x plus 7 over 6. Okay, that 3 over 6 will now go down to 1/2. So one lot of the bracket is just the bracket 3x plus 7 over 2. Final answer. Okay, example 2. D minus 3 over 2 minus d plus 2 over 6. Okay, kiss and smile. 6 lots of d minus 3 minus 2 lots of d plus 2 over 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, so 6d minus 18, so that's 6 times d and 6 times 3, minus 2d minus 4. 6d take away 2d is 4d. Be careful, get minus 18 and then we're travelling down 4. That brings us down to 4d minus 22. So let's bring that back in. 4d minus 22 over 12. Can I take out a common factor from the top? Yes, I can. I can take out 2. 2 bracket 2d minus 11 over 12. That 2 over 12 will now go down 1/6. So I've got one lot of what was in the bracket, so that's just 2d minus 11 over 6. Final answer. Okay, let's try another. A plus 3b over 2 plus a minus 2b over 4. Okay, kiss and smile. A plus 3b times 4, so that's 4 lots of a plus 3b plus 2 lots of a minus 2b over 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so let's take this bit to the side. 4 lots of a is 4a plus 4 lots of 3b is 12b plus 2 lots of a is 2a plus 2 lots of minus 2b is minus 4b. Let's tidy this up. 4a and 2a is 6a. 12b take away 4b is 8b. Let's bring it back in. 6a minus 8b over 8. Can I take out a common factor? Yes, I can. Which is 2. 2 bracket 3a minus 4b over 8. 2/8 goes down to 1/4. So one lot of the bracket is just whatever's in the bracket. That's 3a minus 4b over 4. Okay, example 4. 4 over x plus 5 plus 5 over x plus 1. Kiss and smile. 4 lots of x plus 1 is 4 bracket x plus 1 plus 5 bracket x plus 5 all over x plus 5 times x plus 1. Well, I can just write that as 2 brackets beside each other. That implies that they're multiplying. Okay, so let's expand that open. 4x plus 4 plus 5x plus 25. 4x and 5x is 9x, and 4 plus 5 is 29. 9x plus 29 over x plus 5 bracket x plus 1. Can I take a common factor out from the top? I can't, so that's the final answer. Okay, example 5. 1 over x minus 3 minus 5 over x minus 2, kiss and smile. 1 lot of x minus 2 is x minus 2 minus 5 bracket x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x minus 2. Okay, let's tidy that up. X minus 2 minus 5x, and then I've got minus 5 times minus 3 is plus 15. X minus 5x is minus 4x, and minus 2 plus 15 is plus 13. Let's bring that back in. Minus 4x plus 13 over x minus 3 bracket x minus 2. Can I take out a common factor from the top? No, I can't, so that's the final answer. Okay, let's try one more. 5 over x plus 2 plus 4 over x, kiss and smile. 5 times x is 5x plus 4 times x plus 2 is 4 bracket x plus 2 over x plus 2 times x. And I can just write that as x bracket x plus 2. Okay, let's take that to the side. 5x plus 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8. 5x and 4x is 9x, 9x plus 8, so it's 9x plus 8 over x bracket x plus 2. Can I take out a common factor from the top? No, I can't. That's the final answer.